Yo, hey guys. So this is my moving vlog. Wait, I'm gonna pause the music. So this is my moving vlog. So by now you guys should have seen the video when I'm in Jamaica. Today is Tuesday the 25th. I had started packing up from yesterday, Monday. As of now, if everything is to go according to plan, I'm supposed to be leaving on the 22nd of April. I have 1 month, less than a month, to pack up my whole entire apartment, sell my furniture, get rid of what I need to get rid of. On the 12th of April, I'm actually flying to New York. And I was like, you know what? I want everything before the 12th. So when I get back from New York, it's just, you know. Oh my gosh, I hate the last minute pressure. I hate the feeling of, oh my God, am I going to make it? Am I going to make it? So I'm basically packed up, guys. Like, may I tell you so? Let me show you guys my apartment. So this is the entrance. I'm selling this mirror, so I put it right here. So hopefully somebody will buy it. All of these things, I section it off. Trash. Clean out all the cabinets. Oh my gosh, yeah. I did this in one day. I clean off everything. All of this going to Goodwill when I have time to go over there. Take out everything out of the cabinets, put them on the counter, put things on the island. Guys, I am ready. I already got somebody who's gonna come for the wall art. Hope and praying that somebody will buy the couch soon and buy my little work office desk area and my little this, and then the mirror. I have a lot of inquiries about the mirror, but nobody don't come for the mirror yet. Listen, I have no intentions of packing no barrel. Okay, let me put this down. I have no intentions of packing no barrel and sending no box down there. Me not gonna deal with customs. Okay, I know my limits. I know I can angle, and I know customs in Jamaica is not something that I can. What I call war for some. I know that's not something I can handle. So I'm not gonna handle that.
No.
I put all the items that I need to sell right in this corner. I'm patiently waiting for people to come pick them up or purchase them or something. So all of this, my dresser, the mirror, plant, the console, and the couch, and the office space area. Honestly, I'm not trying to sell my furniture to get a profit. I think that's the thing. I'm not trying to get a profit from them. I'm just trying to get them to leave, to be gone. So honestly, all if $5-10 people want to give me everything must go for $10. I will gladly take it, but hopefully, fingers crossed. I'll pure scammer up on Facebook Marketplace. Pure scammer up on Facebook Marketplace. Oh my gosh, can we talk about it? So I'm going to go get my hair done now. One thing I'm looking forward to, y'all, is the affordable services in Jamaica. Like, getting your hair done in Jamaica is so much more affordable than getting it done in America. Like, when America charge you $300, $400, or $500 for braids, in Jamaica you can get a nice set of braids for like $50, $100. So I'm super excited about that part. So, but going to my hairdresser now, and I'm going to tell her the news that I'm leaving. And the thing is too, to have to find new services, new people, new hairdresser, new nail tech, new eyebrows. Oh my gosh, I think my eyebrow lady is going to be the one that I'm going to be hurt the most about, because me and my eyebrows, if you know me and my eyebrows, I know anybody can do my eyebrows, because I have really bushy eyebrows, and not everybody can do my eyebrows like how to make it look good. Hold on. All right, what did I say? So my eyebrows is like my eyebrows is the main thing that when I'm getting it done, I have to make sure that the person who is doing it know how to not only get my shape that I desire, but also not take off too much of the ends. Like, I don't know what these people have against the end of my eyebrows, but I swear to you, every time I'm shopping around for eyebrow person, they always overdo it with the ends. And then my concern is, I've been searching videos and stuff. I haven't seen anybody who does threading. I see mostly shave, like razor blade shave, which me not do that. I am not getting that done. Razor blade shaving, and then I've been seeing waxing. I'll see 1 and 2 waxing, but I haven't really been seeing a lot of threading in Jamaica. And I get my eyebrows threaded. I know not everybody can thread eyebrows, so all right, just reach hairdresser. It's rough. Let's say you do business. Okay, y'all, I am done with my hair. Ooh, we had to cut it again to make sure everything catch up, because my hair is a little uneven in the back, so we cut it little by little by little so it can catch up. So now everything, she said everything, okay, she said everything on the same length. Why does not work? Hold on. All right, y'all, so I just stopped. I got bunch of something I said I was gonna get. I got bun, got this red thing I love, but see this, I'm gonna pick it up. See this, so I'm gonna pick it up and then get a catch. I almost said I'm not buying nothing. Still end up buying. Let me start with it. But yeah, I was telling the lady who run the Jamaican grocery store that I'm moving back, and you know, she was like, oh yeah, if she could, she would. So it just makes sense. Everybody thinking you know, thinking to move back, because Mrs. Source, it's honestly just makes sense. It's like to be at home, like there's just, you know, like it just feels at home to be at home, to say yes, I'm born, yes, I'm grow, my identity is here. It's just, you know, and life hard at Jamaica, life hard at foreign. Them brainwash for things that foreign life is just so perfect. It is not. Life hard everywhere. I might as well go have life hard at my yard, right? Go back and try build my yard, add to my yard economy, pay my yard taxes. I'll be paying both taxes. But you know, contribute to my yard economy and go back a yard. Rent a Jamaica 10 times cheaper. I mean, you're not gonna get no luxury pool and the luxury game room and the luxury gym and then something, but I don't even use it here. I cannot tell the last time I went to the game room in my apartment. Like, I don't use that, right? So when I pay for something I use, I don't need it, so might as well cut my rent. All right, y'all, so the lady just come for the desk. Thank God. So the first item, so the desk, not the desk, the console table. I did I try to sell her the other things, but she said the car was too full. She said she liked the plant. I tell her, I said, if the plant don't get sell, by the time I have to move, I'll call her and can get her the plant for free. So it's getting there, it's getting there. See, I'm here packing up and completely forgetting to vlog. I pack up a bunch of stuff. Let me show y'all. So all of this thing going in storage. These are my products for my fitness business. I'm gonna bring half to Jamaica, leave half here. Clothes and stuff I don't need. All of this over here, so going Goodwill tomorrow morning. It's clothes and like shoes and stuff that I don't want to bring. And then over there, I won't get up, y'all. I'm way too tired to get up. Stuff that I'm still waiting on for people to sell, and you know, dash away things over there. We're gonna throw out. To tell the truth, I'm basically done, you know. I am basically, well, let me stop say that, because you know, when you think that, okay, yeah, I reach for, and then the more you work, the more you see you have to do. So let me stop say that. But I come far, man. I come far. Only thing I need, one lady did come for the console today. Thank God she came for it. Somebody said they're gonna come for the dresser tomorrow. She was supposed to come today. She said she was gonna come at 6 o'clock. So I said, all right, mama, gonna take a nap. Then she texted me around 5:15 and said, oh, she can come by early because she gets off of work early. I was knocked out. I wake up exactly 6 o'clock to accommodate the girl. And then when I say, oh, is it too late? Can you still come? She was like, oh no, she done reach home. And you reach home, you settle in. On a Friday, you don't want to go back out, which was understandable. And rain did a fall too. So it was very understandable. So she said she'll just come tomorrow morning. So hopefully she come. And my main concern, y'all, is the coach. Like once I sell the coach, we know so we're ready. We know so we're gone. We're ready. The coach is brand new. The coach is, I got it less than a year ago, and I pay little less than $600 for. So for me, for just, I ideally don't want to give it away, but if it comes down to it, you know, it comes down to it. But we'll go on all it out. I mean, I listed the things on Monday. So it's only been like not even a week yet. So I'm gonna go on all it out and wait. And I mean, I do have, let's be real, I do have 3 weeks. I just, cause me on top of things, I don't like the last minute things. So I just would rather things be done and clear out and we're ready for, you know, we just ready even 3 weeks in advance than fear last minute and we say, oh my gosh, are we gonna sell them all? You know, I mean, I like that feeling there, but yeah. So that is it. We're almost there. Jamaica, here we come. Okay, I am heading to Goodwill. I think this is my last Goodwill trip. So I'm extremely proud of myself for remembering to record. I just have some clothes pack, but then I repack. Listen, if I never wear it in the last year or so, I don't need it. I'm trying to be a minimalist. I said the word name. Enough people are doing it today, sir. Jaja. First thing in the morning. Alright. We get receipt. I collect up a receipt because this tax write-off gonna be hefty. Alright. Getting her fixed so we can do the due and return brand new. So Honda can't charge me an arm and a leg still dent. All right, good people. So I remember to vlog. I'm here packing up the car. Yesterday I got the storage, so I'm packing up the car in this to put the stuff in the storage. And I'm like, let me vlog. I'm gonna take about 5 trips. Yeah, I forget for vlog. This is the last trip I'm gonna take. I'm a member, but at least my member. At least my member. Where my coach there? Where my coach there? Where my coach there? Where my rug there? Where my rug there? Where my rug there? So y'all remember just Friday, what did I say? A Friday? I was saying my biggest concern is the coach. Jamaica. Listen, you know I'm gonna leave tomorrow if I wanted to. I could go to Honda, drop off the car, and leave tomorrow, but I have applications, I have plans, so me I could stay. The lady who, one thing I want to say, y'all, everybody who I've been selling my furniture to, so nice. That's just genuine. I don't know if it's me attracting it to myself. Well, yes, it's obviously me attracting it to myself, but everybody's so nice and so genuine and just so. And the man will live down the hall. You see where I struggle with the couch because the lady, the lady like come with her husband. The lady came by herself. And if so she little and petite, came by herself. So me and her did go on and move out the couch until we get to the elevator. And we know say it was gonna be a challenge. So she see one man and she was like, I'll pay you $40 to help us. And he was like, oh, let me just put in these groceries. You don't even have to pay me. I'm gonna put in them groceries and come back with a trolley. I say, sir, you are the one. Anyways, so him come help me, put it in our pickup, and boom bam bam, sold my couch. So yeah, I'm gonna just clean up. I'm going to actually run to the the storage. I wanted to go from earlier because I wanted to beat traffic, but I will just go now. Should I go today, Thursday? You know something I'm not gonna go? Because I can't bother with the traffic. I don't have anything to do tomorrow. Which is Friday. So I think I just won't go tomorrow. I can wake up early and go tomorrow morning. Yeah. Because I don't want to deal with traffic, man. I'm thinking the pros and cons. If I should just go now, get it over with. I don't want to deal with traffic. I'd rather do it in the morning time. Because by the time I go, I'm pack out and them something there. I don't want to feel a rush. I'm going to only have 2 hours. Yeah. I'll go tomorrow morning around 11 o'clock. But yeah. Okay, guys. It is April 4th, 4/4. And I am heading to get the storage. Now it's raining. If you remember last night, yesterday, I said I never did want to go to storage because I want to avoid traffic. But then now today it's raining. And they said it's supposed to be thundering, but I don't see no thunder. And Dallas thunder, them body, let me tell you, Dallas thunder go on with that thing, But I said I must still go. I mean, it's covered anyway, so I can pull up my car under the covering and unpack the stuff. So, because I don't want to put it off another day, and it's gonna be storming until about for the next 3-4 days. So may I say, might as well just go now. It's not the end of the world. But yeah. Oh, and then the girl who picked up the couch yesterday, so nice. She said that she had to replace all the furniture that she have in her storage because she's she stage homes that's for sale. So she buy furniture and keep them in storage. But she said she had to replace all the furniture that she had in her storage because it got flooded. When Dallas be having some storms, right? So she said one of the storage place got flooded, and I was like, oh my gosh. So then that gave me the idea to go get some shower curtains to put over my stuff. I mean, I don't really have anything of major value. The only thing I can think of are my products. And I don't know. No, I'm thinking if I should get insurance. I don't know, because the only thing I really have are my products, and yeah, I would hate to lose my products, but it wouldn't be like the end of the world, if you get what I'm saying. But I would really hate to lose my products. But I'm gonna get some shower curtains to put over the stuff just in case. Fingers crossed. Don't want I chat nothing negative to me, but you can never be safe. So, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm at the dollar store, see if them have any. All right, so I just got the shower curtains. I got 2. I wasn't sure how big they were. It's a 70-inch by 72, 70-inch wide by 72. I don't know, we'll see. I got 2 though. I figure if I need more, I can always come back for it. And then I got a car air freshener because when they paint the car, it was smelling a little bit too much like paint. And say other people them car may return, and I really don't want them to know that it was scratched. So put this in there, and then of course I have to bring my big back with me. I love some peeps. I say in the call them whatever they call. This them I say my love. So I got to judge me for the most, but me look forward to them every year, and nobody can shame me, because that's why Easter make for. Anyways, I go head to the storage now. Alright, so I just made it to the storage. It was already raining, drizzling a little bit, but although it's not thunderstorm. So I'm gonna try do all I can do. And I mean, even if it start raining, it shouldn't affect me, because as I say, it's indoors. So yeah, let's get to it. When I tell y'all, I'm proud of myself because it's a goal in life to be a minimalist, if I said the word name. And look at all my stuff. All my stuff fit, y'all. This is everything that I care enough to save. And honestly, I don't really care that much to save them. If we're gonna be for real. So my products on this side, the rest of my clothes. On this side, some books and stuff. And yeah. And just like that, my storage is packed and I am ready to leave Dallas. What we need now is to return the people in car, and hop on a. My last video was on 4/4. Today's 4/9. I've packed up the storage, returned the car, yeah. One piece I mixed up with returning the car. They wanted me to pay out of pocket for them to take it. And I was like, first of all, it's a 2023 with 8,000 miles on it. 2 years old with 8,000 miles, and I'm supposed to pay y'all for taking this? No. Eventually found a Honda that took it. I would like it if I did get like a change fee, but better than having to pay. Yeah, so we made it to move out day. Apartment empty, apartment clear. Today is April 11th. Heading to New York, and I decided, why even come back to Dallas? So I'm just gonna fly straight from New York to Jamaica, which, oh my gosh, I'm extremely excited. But I was able to sell everything I listed, able to clear out my apartment, place empty. You can hear and kind of things that, oh my god, it was an end of a road. It's the end of a road. Been in this apartment for a good little minute, a good little time. Not because I necessarily like it, but because I hate moving. I hate moving more than I liked this apartment. But yes, y'all, let's head to New York City and then to Kingston, Jamaica. Big up on yourself if you're not still watching this video, this vlog. I know it was all over the place. I know I missed a lot of days. I'm still getting used to vlogging, but hopefully this encourage people who, you know, not necessarily move back to Jamaica, but who want to step out on faith and, you know, do something that is against the majority of people's opinion, because majority of people are like, moving back to Jamaica, like, okay, like it would be like me moving anywhere. But you know, people gonna have their opinions and whatever. Anyways, let me call my Uber and head to the airport. It is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Guys, I'm in New York and I have not been vlogging. Oh my gosh, I've been here since Friday. Today is now Monday, and the first time I turned on my camera. But no, this is not a New York vlog. This is a Moving to Jamaica vlog. And in a few hours, I will be heading to the airport to fly out. I can land in my new home, Kingston, Jamaica. Also, a little scenery. I'm in a coffee shop. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm in a coffee shop now. I figure I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm seeing on the last day. Oh, so the first day we got here, it was cold as hell. Y'all, it was like 30-something degrees, raining. And then Saturday it wasn't as bad as Friday, but it was still bad, don't get me wrong. So I'm at the airport. At the airport, have about an hour before boarding. Yep, hour before boarding, ready to land in my new home. Yeah.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Well, welcome to Jamrock. And welcome to Titan. Well, welcome to Jamrock. And welcome to Titan. Well, welcome to Jamrock. Damn, put it on them jump back. Go now within a van back. In a your handbag, and up stuck it in a your backpack. This fella be your girlfriend contact. Some why not know this? Them only come out like tourists. On the beach with a few club sodas. Bedtime stories. Up house like them left up tourists. And now the real hardcore. Sandals and up back to. The thugs do it to where them got to. I don't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot to. Unless you carry guns and lot to. A pure tough thing come at to. Got the last one man them pop off and block off traffic. And then we land pop off and them start to pit. With the pin pile long and it a beat rapid. Police come in and cheap and them can't stop it.
home and I have settled in. I've been back for about maybe a week now, a little over a week. Went to see family. That's one of the best things living back in Jamaica. I get to spend some more quality time with family and develop some relationship with family that, of course, after living 18 years in another country, it's kind of difficult to develop those kind of relationships. Majority of our family is here, so why not move back and spend some quality time with them. So I am very excited for that. This is one thing about me: when I make up my mind for do something, it is done. It is done within less than a month, probably in 2 weeks. Yeah, well, that's probably about in 2 weeks, y'all see me pack up all of my stuff and move back. Look at God. I am grateful for this blessing. Hopefully you guys stick around as I start doing vlogs about my new life in Jamaica, my lifestyle, showing you guys things around Jamaica and stuff. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this kind of content. I did change the name of this channel from my fitness channel to like more my lifestyle channel. I will still incorporate some fitness stuff, but some of the stuff about showing Jamaica and stuff will be in there too. So yeah, we'll wrap up. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey.